Welcome to Endless Learning Training Series, the membrane-based desalination technology.
In this presentation we will study about why magnetic flow meter field validation is accepted instead of calibration, what field check does, what true calibration does, why magnetic flow meter field validation is accepted instead of calibration. Stable, low-maintenance technology. Magnetic meters have no moving parts and are highly stable over time. Factory calibration, often ISO 17025 certified, remains reliable for many years unless disturbed. SWRO flow rates are typically continuous and steady, making sensor drift rare. Challenging conditions for recalibration. Flow meters in SWRO systems are installed in large diameter pipelines, often at high flow rates and pressures. Removing them for lab calibration would require system shutdown, flange disconnection, heavy lifting and isolation. This is disruptive and costly, especially during peak water demand or limited downtime windows. ISO-compliant field validation is sufficient. ISO 9001 and internal QA/QC systems allow field validation as a method of control, as long as performance is within acceptable limits. Field validation includes output signal check, example 4 to 20 mA. Live value comparison, to control room or master meter. Self-diagnostics using HART/PDM tools. Reduced OPEX and maintenance burden. Full calibration, in lab, is expensive and time-consuming. Field validation is non-intrusive, low-cost, and aligns with preventive maintenance schedules. Helps avoid unnecessary calibration unless deviation is detected. What field check does? Field check is a quick test done at the site to make sure the flow meter is working properly. It checks the electronics and internal functions, but it does not measure actual flow. It uses a simulated signal to see if the flow meter responds correctly. It's non-intrusive, so you don't have to remove the meter or stop the process. It gives you a validation report, which is useful for ISO and quality audits. It is used for regular maintenance and troubleshooting. What true calibration does? True calibration means the meter is tested with real water flow in a certified lab. It shows exactly how accurate the meter is compared to a known standard. It usually requires removing the meter, which can mean process downtime. It gives you a calibration certificate that is traceable to international standards. It is needed when high accuracy is critical or required by regulations.
Thank you for watching this video.